Hello fellows, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Therichpost, myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, today the motivated video game, the PDF viewer in OJS. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end, and if you will have any kind of query, then feel free to comment on this video. Also please subscribe my channel, and also you can contact me via my wonderful blog therichpost.com. Contact us page. You will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID. Also you will get many free things on my blog as well. Now back to OJS article page. So guys, this is the article page I've already shown you yesterday, and see, you can see the new button, view PDF. And when I will click on this button, you will get and you will see the PDF viewer inside the Bootstrap 5 model pop. So guys, here we go. Click, see guys, the beautiful PDF viewer came. You can edit it as well. See friends, new text as well we can do, and so on, image, and very good. And friends, also enlarge and decrease as well. So friends, you can see the many few things inside this, and also see close and view as well. See guys, works like charm, and I'm sure you will like it. And don't forget to hit like button as well. And after it, I will come with more demos. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.